Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a Bible journaling supplies haul. Let's just get into it and we shall start. I got these two envelopes. It's not Bible journaling, but I did buy them. I need to mail some things out. I bought some tape because I was needing some transparent tape and I ran out. So I'll put that away since the drawer is right there. Next, I bought this little, these are little envelopes and they are square. They're really small. They're 3 by 3 and I figured I can use them to put in my Bible so I can have something flip out or to have an envelope in there. It's just something small that you can just put in there and do something with. So I got that. I got these 2 packs of black cards and envelopes because I have been watercoloring a lot more and I wanted to watercolor on black. So that is why I got that. And I've been trying to send up cards too, so I'm trying to get back on my card game. So that is why I got that. The next thing I got was this clear stamp set. They are just some florals. And that's really why I got them, because they're almost like very sketchy type flowers. And I figured this would look cute in some Bible journaling entries and stuff. It's very nice. Some headings, note-taking, things like that. And then I also got these die cuts and stickers, but I won't use them as stickers. So these are the stickers. These are the stickers. And I figured I can use these to make like tabs in my Bible. They're Christmas themed, so like use them as flip ups or whatever. And then I also got these, which are like reefs, so like they are cutouts and the middles are empty. So I figured these would be cute in my Bible to either highlight something or to really just like make something pop out that's in the Bible, or a note or something just to really stand it out. So I got that. The next things that I bought are some sticky notes. So I just got a pack of blue and green, another blue, and an orange. And then I also got these. They're little frame pieces. They're just little cutouts. I got 2 of the same packs, and I just figured these would be good for like putting notes into your Bible. If you have small notes or church notes or just something that you wanted to write down in your notes, you can put a Bible verse, anything. I figured this would be easy to stick in and out with some like washi, and it can flip. So I got that. Then I also got this larger sticky note, which is more like a to-do list, because I'm trying to do better at being organized and making sure I get things done. So I figured, why not a sticky note that's also a to-do list? And it says a latte to do. So I just thought that was so cute, and it's a little coffee mug. And then since I've been using my Cricut a little bit more, I bought these tools from the dollar store actually. It's a pick and like a piercing tool, and these will just help get things that are smaller off of the mat. Also, I think this one is a scoring tool. So if you've never seen a bone folder looks like this, and it's just to help fold things and make the creases stick more. So that's what's on the ends of these too. I also bought a new pack of jelly rolls in white, and this pack comes in a size 5, 8, and 10. I feel like I'm going through all of this really quick. You guys will probably see a lot of these things in my next videos because I'm going to do some Bible journaling videos. I got some paint brushes. I got a flat paintbrush. So actually first, I got this one from Simply Simon's, and I've had this one before. I've actually have this exact one. I thought I was buying a different size, but I was not. This is a watercolor brush. It's a round size 6. And then these are all from Royal and Langnickel. And this one is a round size 4, I believe. And these just look nice. This one is a round size 2, so it's a lot smaller. You can't even see that. And this one is a flat one, and it's a 3/4 inch. And it's just flat. And this is good for getting the page completely drenched in water. And I bought new watercolor brushes because my other ones, I have some that are ginormous. They're like this long. Like, I'm not even, like, they are ginormous, and this is so hard to like try and control your painting and stuff. So this is like the size difference. So those are just a little harder to watercolor with. So And then I also got some watercolors. I got them off of an Etsy shop. They're a little more pricier because they're homemade, but it's like a Christmas / birthday present to myself. So they're from Yuli Watercolors. She's on Etsy, and I will leave her page link down below. So first it came with these 2 little samples. They're very cute. And then I ordered the Thanksgiving pack and then 2 extra watercolors from the new Christmas set that she has. So let me open the tin. So this is the Thanksgiving set, and I have played around with them because how could you not? So this is just what they look like. They are beautiful and they're handmade and they're so glittery. They're great. The best way to use it is to put a little bit of water on each of them and let it really soak in for about a minute or 2, and then it'll become this really thick, nice watercolor. The pigmentation is great, but look at how these shine. Just look at how those colors shine. And then from the Christmas collection, I got 2. I got the color Star, which is a kind of an in-between a gold and a silver. Wow. The sun's out here messing with us. And then I also got the color Apple, which is a bright red. So this is just the Christmas ones on top. They are so beautiful. And then those are the Thanksgiving set. So Thanksgiving, these are 2 from the Christmas set, and they are just so beautiful. And these, I think they're a different type of pigmentation. They're less glittery and more of like a shiny, shimmery base, and they are so beautiful. Like, these are all such beautiful watercolors. They are a little more expensive, but a lot goes a long way. A little goes a long way. They are beautiful. What else? Oh, my paper. I did buy paper. Did I need more paper? No. Do we ever need more paper? No. We have a ton of paper. I have 2 drawers full of paper, not including my drawer of scraps and not including my drawer of watercolor and sketching paper. I just have a lot of paper everywhere, but I bought more paper pads. You know, at Michael's they were having a 3 for $20 sale, so I had to buy it. I just had to. So this one is called Harvest Meadow, and it's very beautiful. Hopefully things are. And it's just more of a pink and blue fall type paper. Very nice. I can still use this like in the spring and stuff. Very nice. Then this one is called Cozy Neutrals, and it's just blacks, grays, things like that. And there's like sketches of floral and things like that. Very nice. And then this one's called Evergreen. It's called Evergreen. And this is a Christmas one. I think I meant to buy a different Christmas book because there was a few of them, and one had more like watercolor-esque papers. And I think I just grabbed the wrong one. But this one's still really nice too. This is just a very, you know, Christmas themed one with the trees and the greenery, hence evergreen. So it's really pretty though. So that's what I got. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I've gotten. I think that's it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to share some things that I bought. If you guys like seeing journaling supplies, hauls, let me know. I like to buy a lot of things, and more excuses to buy more things. I'm all for it. So let me know if you guys would like to see more hauls. And yeah, or if you guys would even like to see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more hauls and more things that I buy. I'll buy the things and try them for you guys and let you know if they're worth it. So let me know if you enjoyed this. And I will see you guys in my next video, and you will see some of these things in play as I watercolor. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.